Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to automatically activate the low power mode into your iPhone in a specific level of your battery percentage. So the thing to do that, you just need to have this application. Open your app library and make sure that you already have the shortcuts application. Every iPhone should have this because this can help you work with iPhone much more efficient, fast, and quick. So you just need to open the shortcuts, and whenever you open it, there will be 3 sections down here. So you just need to go click this automation, and right after that, so I would like to show you the way how to do this. You just need to go click this plus button, and after that, you just need to type battery, and then you just need to click done. Now you just need to adjust how many percents that you want to activate the low power mode. So let's say here you want to activate the low power mode whenever the battery is about 50% and below. So you just need to go click this false below 50%, and you just need to change the run after confirmations to run immediately. And now you just need to go click next. And now you just need to go click add new plain automations and go click actions. And here you just need to type low power mode. And then whenever you got them, you just need to go click set low power mode. And now you just need to go click done. So whenever your battery is about 50% or below, it will be automatically activate the low power mode on your phone. So that is the way how to get a automatic low power mode on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'd like to see you for the next tutorial.